Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First order of the day on this cloudy day. We got $65. Sam's Club order, 24 miles on this one. Look, miles to money ratio is good. Time of day is good. It's 7 in the morning. So you know I'm about to hit $100 before noon now. Let's go ahead and slide over to Sam's Club and get this one done. Good morning. Welcome back. I'm your boy, the DashingTrader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps like Doordash, Uber Eats, Instacart, and Walmart Spark. And look at here, to all my new time people here, check out you some apps, check out you some gig apps like Walmart in particular. And to all my long time people, thanks for being here. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for hitting that like button and that subscribe button. Sam's Club, look at that, parking lot is empty. All right, well, let's go ahead and slide up in here and pick up my $65 order. I am liking getting these bigger orders first thing in the morning, because look, when you get a $50+ order first thing in the morning, it really sets you up to have a very, very nice day. And look, as a reminder to all my Walmart Spark people out there, be careful if you're recording up at Sam's Club, because they don't like it and they can report your account. So I'm about to put this phone up. Alrighty, we got our Sam's Club order loaded and ready to go. $65, 3 stops, 24 miles on this order. Not bad. All right, let's head out and get her done. Order number 1. Got it dropped off.
If you find value in this video, I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button.
First order of the day, we dropping off at child care and preschool. And we got 2 more orders to drop, and it's gonna be an easy $65. Let's go. See, when you out this early in the morning, you ain't gotta deal with a whole lot of traffic, cars on the road. I think I might actually start waking up a little early and trying to get some of these Walmart Spark Sam's Club deliveries knocked out. Cause here's the thing, this is what you gotta realize. When it comes to Walmart Spark, at least in my area, you can have a Home Depot delivery, you can have a Walmart delivery, or you can have a Sam's Club delivery. And out of all 3 of those, I would much rather have a Sam's Club delivery, because the customers are known to tip after the fact, and they known to tip more than what is shown in the app. So with all that being said, I'm more likely to, or more inclined to do Sam's Club orders, especially if I'm knowing I'm getting them first thing in the morning. I'm trying to knock out 3 of these before 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock if I can. That way I can really run it up. Drop off number 2. Take these potatoes up there first. I already got the pies and the strawberries up there. We're gonna set the potatoes right here. Oh, gotta scan it. Already got it done. Now let's go ahead and close that trunk up and head off to drop off number 3. Easy $65, and it hasn't even been a full hour yet. The time is now 8:12 in the morning. I've been out for 1 hour and 13 minutes, and I'm 2 minutes away from the 3rd drop off on this Sam's Club delivery. So that's $65 for 1 hour and 10 minutes of work. I would do it. And we only about 7 minutes away from Walmart too. The time is now 8:56, so I've been out here for 2 hours. Got my 2nd order done. Walmart Spark shop and deliver. $18 for 4 miles. And now with just 2 orders in 2 hours, I'm sitting at like what, $83? So that's $44 an hour? Yes, sir. Next order on the tally. We just got a $21 order. 21 and some change to be exact, but look, $21, 6 miles. I'm about to have this order knocked out because it's curbside pickup and it's ready to go. It's going 6 miles away. This order is gonna put me over $100. I'm sitting at 83 right now. Might as well call that 84 bucks. This $20 order finna put me at $105. Yes, sir. Let's go. We're pulling right back up to Walmart now. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's still like 8:55, 8:56. So we good. So if they run this order right out to me in the next 5 minutes, but they head towards my destination, it's not gonna be no more than a 10-minute drive. I'm gonna have my 3rd order, 1, 2, 3, my 3rd order of the, within the 2.5 hour range, over $100. Let's go. Now, I might have to run it up today, because it's looking like it's gonna be a quite good day when it comes to Walmart Spark. That $65 Sam's Club order from the crib set me up to have a great day. Shout out to my boy Cars and Cribs. I stole his tagline, because look, I'm all the way sparked up now, because look at here. I used to be doing Doordash all day, and now I find myself doing Walmart Spark all day long, because these offers are too good to pass up. It's almost to the equivalent of having large order program on Doordash with the catering bag, but you get it all the time. See, when you have a large order program on Doordash, you're more likely to get those nice catering orders that's paying you anywhere from $20 to $30 in tips. You know, in the breakfast time, sometimes in the lunchtime, but mainly at dinner. But when it comes to Walmart Spark, it's always large order time. Every time it's large order time, because it don't matter if it's morning, noon, or night. People are ordering large amounts of groceries, even the small grocery orders like this one I just did, the shopping deliver, 18 bucks for 4 miles. Like, that's the kind of mileage I look for on catering orders on Doordash. So let's get it, man. We pulling up. I'm at the auto car side right now. I'm about to head on over to this pickup side. Thank you. That is just awesome. I just got here and the order already coming out. Let's go.
Yeah, we had to reshop it, and the guy previous was not willing to wait.
What? He wasn't trying to wait.
So by the time I got done shopping it, you had just gotten here?
It's not even that big. I just got done shopping the order myself. I think I saw you in there.
Might have. I'm coming around.
Oh, good. Well, hey, it's a perfect order for me, so I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You have a nice day as well. Oh, yeah. We most definitely jamming today. No wait time on that order. Literally, when I pulled up and checked in, they brung it right on out. Man, look at here. About to throw my trader shades on. About to roll this window down, because we heading out 5 miles away. I thought it was 6 miles, but now the GPS is telling me 5 miles. Let's get this order knocked out. This order gonna put me at $105. And let's see, only 9 minutes on the drive. Look, I'm about to have this order dropped off before 9:15, and I may be able to get back and get another order before the 3-hour mark is over. Let's see if I can run it up. The time is now 9:20. So from pickup to drop off, 15 minutes to make another $21. Let's go. Now I got 40 minutes exactly to get back, get another order, and get it completed so I can be at my 3-hour mark and get my totals. But look, I'm happy with what I got right now, because we at the 2-hour 20-minute mark, and I'm sitting over $100. So let's go. Walmart Spark for the win. I've been sitting for like 10 minutes, sitting here messing with my Google Photos and putting my little video together or whatever. I ain't got no order, so seeing that it's still super early in the morning, I'm about to head home and eat me some breakfast, and then I'm gonna hop right back out here. Another shopping order on Walmart Spark. This one came in at $28, almost $29. Another 5.9 miles. I call it 6 miles. I'll go ahead and round up. Now this order is gonna put me at 160 bucks on the day, and it's 2 o'clock now because I went home and took a little lunch break. But this is turning out to be a good day. 5 minutes of shopping. Had to get 4 of those and 4 of those, and that's it. Easy order. Yes, sir. Another Spark order dropped off. Get that photo. I'm gonna throw up a quick screenshot right here. We are at $460 already, and we only on day 3 of the week, of the earnings week on Walmart Spark. Look, I got a goal this week of doing $1,000 on Walmart Spark. So in order to do that, I need to at least work 5 days, that's for sure. But in those 5 days, I need to at least make $200 per day. Now, I don't plan on working 7 days on Spark, but if I have to, I will, to make that 1,000. But look, with the way things is going this week, like, look, I usually make most of my money on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday with Spark. And I usually don't even bother on Monday and Tuesday with it. But here's the thing. This has been the first time I've been able to get this close to $500 in the first 3 days. So I think this is the week where I'm able to hit that $1,000 Walmart Spark earnings week. And you know what? I'm gonna see if I can keep it going and go even past 1,000. But 1,000 is the goal. So let me know. Are you able to make $500 in the first 3 days using Walmart Spark? If not, what apps do you use to make most of your earnings when you out there doing gig apps? I just got my next order. We got a Sam's Club order. $15 for like 13 miles, 1-to-1 miles to money. But look, I only accept 1-to-1 miles to money when I'm doing Walmart Spark Sam's Club orders, because they're more likely to add tips after the fact. So with that being said, it gives me a little bit more incentive to accept those orders that may be 1-to-1, because I could have accepted a $25 order going 20 miles or a $30 order going 25 miles, but I said, you know what? This order right here is the least amount of miles, and it's still enough orders on there for me to get some potentially good tips. So let's head on over to Sam's Club and get our next order done. Sam's Club order number 1. Front door service.
Before you get a machine, and I will.
All right, order number 2, got it dropped off. Now orders to go, those right there, and then we done with this one. I did turn on Uber to see if I can multi-app along the way. We'll see what Uber Eats got for me. Sam's Club order number 3. There you go. Got order number 3 dropped off on this Sam's Club batched order. Now I do have Uber Eats running, but I've yet to get my first Uber Eats order, or DoorDash for that matter. I was able to schedule myself for a 30-minute block, but it's not until 8:30 tonight. The time right now is 3:56, so it looked like I'm just gonna be all the way sparked up into the foreseeable future. That's cool with me though. Alrighty, this is Trader from the future. So just giving you a little update on that ride along. We was able to make $214 in one day with Walmart Spark, and those the type of results I like to see. I actually thought it was gonna come in less, like 160, but that just goes to show you have so much more room for additional tips when it comes to Walmart Spark, because I was estimating I was gonna be at like 175. I let all the tips settle, you know, let the dust settle on those orders. Turns out I ended up getting $214 on Wednesday. Let's get it. Now today's Thursday, and as you can see here, I'm already at 58 bucks. I'm gonna have to throw up another screenshot, but the point is that even when you calculate everything to earn based off of what the offer screen shows, I typically see more. And a lot of times when earnings day comes, I have an extra $100 on there that I'm already waiting on. So at the beginning of a new week, I might start the week off with $70 to $100 in tips from the previous week. Walmart Spark for the win. Look, if you made it this far in the video, you the real MVP. Let me know in the comments below, what's your weekly goal when using gig apps? Are you like a part-time, you only need a couple $100 a week, or you doing it full-time, you need to make that rent payment every single week? What's your goal? Right now, I'm trying to make $1,000 per week using these delivery apps, and I'm also trying to diversify and increase my passive income through other multiple streams. But look, I'm your boy FDA DashingTrader, and I'll catch you in the next one.